Hello everyone, today we dive into the world of very beautiful designs of bottle recycle ideas. In this video we gives you a very beautiful and interesting tips. Stay tuned with us. We try to give you very easy tips to grow and how to recycle and how important is it. And we all should have bottle recycle special designs because we save earth. We should have to save earth, and we also have to save ocean also. So viewers, in this video we show you very beautiful and interesting designs. Stay tuned with us, stay tuned till the last. So we try to bring very amazing and perfect ideas and very creative ideas. It's also very mindful, very impressive for you. So thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay tuned. Let's have a look. Keep shining like a star. Leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload very best and beautiful designs, and we gives you a best tips and best ideas. So hope you like the all ideal design. Your comments is most precious for me. I'm very thankful for your good response. Stay blessed. So let's have a look. Watch till the end.
A second chance to live a new life. Glass bottles are everywhere around us, holding water, juice, sources, medicines, and so much more. But when they are discarded, they can either become part of a growing environment problem or part of an amazing solution. Today, let's take a journey into the world of glass bottle recycling and see how something so simple can make a big difference from our planet. Glass is one of the oldest materials created by the human. Unlike many others material, glass is 100% recyclable and can be recycled endless without losing quality or purity. That's mean a glass bottle you use today could be melted down and turned into another bottle over and over again forever, but sadly millions of tons of glass, steel and up in the landfill everywhere, where they may take thousands of years to discomp that's why recycling is not just an option, it's a necessary. So how does the recycling of glass bottles actually work? It all starts with collection. People place used glass bottles into recycle bin, or they are gathered from restaurant, office and factories. From there they are transported to recycle center. Next comes the sorting and cleaning. Sorted, the bottles are separated by the color, matter, green or brown because color matter when they producing new glass. Then they are washed to remove the labels, caps and any leftover liquid. After cleaning, the glass bottles are sent through machine that crush them into small pieces, collect the raw and material used in the glass production. The cullet is then heated in the massive furnace and extremely high temperature, often above 1400 degrees Celsius. At this stage, the glass melts and become a glowing liquid material. Finally, the molten glass is shaped and molded into a new production. Bottles, jars, tiles and every even glass fiber used in construction and technology, and just like that an old bottle is reborn. Environment benefits. Recycling glass bottle is not just about saving space in landfill, it is about saving energy and protecting the environment. Did you know that recycling just one glass bottle save enough energy to power a light bulb of 4 hours? That's because making a new glass from a new raw material like sand, soda ash and limestone requires a lot of energy, but when we use recycled glass, the furnace need less heat, which mean less fuel in the burn and less carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. In addition, recycling reduces the need for raw material. This helps preserve natural resources and prevent large scale mining that can damage landscapes This helps. Every bottle recycle mean fewer emission for your pollution and the heat. The healthier planet. What happens after recycling is truly recycled. A glass can return as a brand new bottle and jar ready to be filled with your favorite drink and food items. But that's not all. Recycled glass is also used in construction material like a bricks and tiles. It can be transformed into a glass wool, which is an excellent material for insulation in homes and buildings. Some artists even use recycled glass to create a beautiful sculpture and decorations. So, so the next time you see a glass bottle, remember it has the potential to become a part of building a piece of art. Simply another bottle carrying new life again and again. Recycle works best when everyone play their part. The process begins at home instead of throwing away a glass bottle.